Hi, and welcome to another Weekly Buzz with me, Mrs. Busby. This week we'll be talking about the phases of the moon. Get your moons ready. The phases of the moon are caused because the moon revolves around the earth. It takes approximately 28 days for the moon to complete one revolution. Interesting enough, it also takes it about 28 days to make one rotation. This means we only see one side of the moon from Earth, but we'll talk about that later. Phases of the moon are caused because the sun, Earth, and moon are aligned in different ways. If you're the sun and I'm the Earth, the moon will face you the entire time. But only half of the moon is lit at any given time. From Earth, I would see different amounts. For instance, if you are the sun and I am the earth and the moon is here, I don't see any portion of the lighted side, so we call this a new moon. Now, as the moon moves around, we see different phases. As the moon moves from here to here, we see a waxing crescent. It can look like this, or like this, and even this. Once the moon gets here, if you're the sun and I'm the earth, we get the first quarter. Notice that the light is on the right. First, light, right. If we keep moving, we would get to a waxing gibbous. It could look like this, or maybe even this. If this moves all the way to here, then we would have a full moon. Now, once the moon begins to change to the other side, we see a waning gibbous. Notice that the light is on the opposite side. Following right along, once the moon is here, we get the last quarter. Notice that the light is on the left. Last, light, left. And then finally, we get the waning crescents. They can look like this or this. At this point, the moon comes back here, a new moon again. These are the phases of the moon.